So in order for your users to go ahead and interact with your website, you can go ahead and utilize something called the contact and forms block. So to do that, over here on the left side, you can go ahead and click on add new section, and here you can see that contact and forms block is an option right here. So over here you can see that there's connect with us block right here, which simply gives you an option to add in links to your email, your LinkedIn, location, and phone. You can go ahead right here and click, and then click on, let's say for example, other contact us options over here as well. So you can go ahead right here, and there's the Pro version right here, which actually has a contact form right here, just like this, and you got a regular contact us button right here, just like this as well. So there's many different sort of contact us, let's say for example block right here, and you can go ahead and edit this out right here and add link to your phone. You can go ahead add link to your location right here. With this one you can see that this is the contact form right here, and over here when someone actually submits the form, you'll be able to go ahead and view the response directly over here by clicking on view all responses, and you'll be able to see it as it is redirected onto the form section right here on your dashboard, as you can see. And apart from that, you can see that you have regular forms right here and a more detailed form as needed as well. If you were to go to the layout right here, you can see that there's the map. You can go ahead and enable and disable the map that you have right here. So now you can go to the contact info, enable and disable the top space right here, and so forth. So with each of the layout right here, you can see that you can go ahead and change the layout as per how you want as well. You can go around over here and change around the layout to, let's say, app store, sign up, and button right here, media on the left, media on the right, so that you can actually go ahead and add in a media right here, just like this as well. So you can go ahead and change around the content as you like right here, just like this, to go ahead and change the layout as you want. So if I were to go to background, you can see that there's many sort of backgrounds that you can go ahead and add in right here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the contact and forms block inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.